Hi everybody, this is Fagun Shah from Integration Lab, and today we are going to discuss how to handle the Webhook queue using HookDeck and Pabbly Connect, right? So first of all, let's discuss why do we need this kind of thing and how can HookDeck like extend the Pabbly's capability, right? So basically, Pabbly Connect has a limitation that in any single 1 minute it can only capture maximum of 400 webhooks per account. Okay, remember it's not per workflow, it is per account limit. Okay, so and if you cross that limit you will get 429 too many requests. Okay, now the thing is Pabbly doesn't maintain a queue of those extra webhooks. So let's suppose if you fire 500 webhooks on your Pabbly Connect account, then 100 webhooks will be missing. Okay, and those attempts will also get to 429 too many request error in the application from where you are sending those requests, right? So we don't want to do that basically, right? We want to capture each and every webhook and process all of them, right? We don't want to miss any webhooks, right? This can happen when you like bulk sending a huge data from Google Sheet to Pabbly Connect webhook using Pabbly Connect add-on. I have seen this thing happening with Zoom webhooks as well when the Zoom had normal kind of authorization in the past, right? But yeah, it can happen when you can maybe when you are maybe sending data from ActiveCampaign to Pabbly Connect and ActiveCampaign is sending too much data too fast, right? So yeah, whenever there is more than 400 webhooks are triggering on your Pabbly Connect account, it can fail. Right, now how can we make sure that we always capture and process each and every webhook, right? So in order to do that, we have a website called hookdeck.com, and it can help us to achieve that exact goal, right? So let me first take you through few of the things. So I will start the presentation mode here. Okay, so the current issue which we are facing is that whenever more than 400 webhooks per minute, it will just give us 429 error code, right? And we don't want that. We want to maintain the queue and don't want to miss the webhooks. Okay, now I said that HookDeck can solve this issue, but how? What are the benefits of HookDeck, right? So first of all, it's obviously solves the rate limit issue. Okay, it won't miss. You won't miss the webhook processing even if the Pabbly Connect is down. How? Because they have a retry feature. So if Pabbly Connect is down and Pabbly is not, let's suppose, capturing the webhook data, then it will retry after whatever rule you have set. Let's suppose if you want to retry 5 times every 1 hour, if it fails, okay, then it will do that on its own. You don't even need to log in and retry it manually. Okay, third one, which is most important, that that's how we actually solve that rate limiting issue, that per hour, per minute or per second you can set up the frequency and it will only forward that much data from its queue to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so that's how we are going to, that's what we are going to actually see in this video later on. Okay, so fourth one is set auto retry limit and frequency. Manual retry is also available. So let's suppose some software is down, or maybe you have set up a very small retry frequency, maybe try every 1 minute for 3 times, and after that also it was still failed, so you can log in and always do a manual retry. Okay, that is also available. And the most important thing, the free plan has 100k request and events. Now request is incoming webhook data coming to particular HookDeck account, and events is basically data going outside of hookdeck.com. Okay, so yeah, that was the terminology, that was the like pricing plan and everything. And I think so this limit will be more than enough for most of the people. They only need to rate limit the webhooks which actually get too much data in within 1 minute. Okay, if you are not one of those people, then you can actually skip this video for now. Okay, let's move to the next one. So yeah, here is a graphic basically that Webhook 1 to infinite and maybe 400 plus, right? And all of them are going to actually HookDeck. It should be HookDeck here. I will update the image later on. And you can basically set frequency. You can actually set the filters as well, that only particular Webhook with a particular data should pass on to Pabbly Connect Webhook. Okay, so those filters are available inside the HookDeck as well, so that's another helpful thing. And you can also set up the replay rules, right? So yeah, overall this graphic shows how basically it works in a bird eye view kind of thing. Okay, not the exact representation, I try my best, I am not a graphic designer, so yeah, bear with me. Right, so let's go to pricing one. So free plan has 100k requests, 100k events, retries included. Okay, and yeah, let's now go here, and here you can see I have already set up a connection. And let me first show you the history, right, like what happened. So here you can see in the request that I have fired like 1000 webhooks very quickly, and it captured all of them, and now it is sending them at 1 minute per webhook frequency. Okay, you can see that it is still going on, but yeah, that's the frequency I have set. Okay, now the platform itself is very easy to use. It's not very complicated, so let me just show you a quick connection, and that will help you to set up a basic you can say the queue or rate limiting things. Okay, so we need to log into our account. Obviously you need to first create the account, and then go to connection on the left hand side menu, click on create button here, and let's suppose we want to use a new source. So I will click on new. Here I will say, let's suppose new one, a new source one, and destination, let's take a new destination as well, and new destination one. Okay, now here will be your Pabbly Connect webhook URL. Okay, and in the advanced option, okay, let me just grab a Pabbly Connect URL actually. So I will grab just this URL, HookDeck, Control V, and here you need to click on this enable delivery rate limiting. Click on that, and now here you can set per second, per minute, or per hour. Okay, for my purpose I am going to set up 1 per minute. Okay, that's what I wanted to do, but yeah, you can set up to 400 per minute as well, as per Pabbly Connect limitations. Okay, but in that case you need to make sure that all of your webhooks are coming to this thing and going there. Okay, otherwise you can just set up one connection for that one use case, okay, which doesn't cross that limit. Okay, in advanced option you have these things. I haven't used that for now. In rule set, let me just set up this one so it doesn't give me error. Okay, so in rule set you can set up the default rule set. So default rule set is retry 5 times every 1 hour. Okay, and yeah, here you can just click on save. Right, now remember one thing, you can obviously edit this thing after the setting them up, and also you can use one source and multiple destination with it. Okay, so like you can distribute them as well, so that is also very useful. Now this thing is already ready to use, you don't need to do anything else. So sorry, this is the one this is the old one, right, and this is the new one. Okay, and yeah, this thing is ready to go. You can just push the data and it will start working on, right? So yeah, that's how it works actually. Let's copy this thing, and in this one I think so I need to use this webhook URL. Okay, just a text formatter, nothing else. And let's go back to HookDeck, edit destination. I will change the Pabbly Connect webhook URL. I will just save the data here. Okay, I will copy this URL. I have already set up a test workflow where it can send the iterated data to particular endpoint URL. So I will replace this thing here and save. Let's go to history and let's re-execute this. So if we go here now into the requests, last one was 655 and now it should basically start receiving the new data, right? And yeah, you can see here 1154, 1154, 1154. So yeah, it has already started receiving data, right? And the free plan rate limit for HookDeck is 10 webhook collection per second. Okay, but it still never misses the webhook. It will still capture it. It will just capture it little bit slow. Okay, so that still works. So now this was the request. Now let's go to events and let's see if it has started sending one event per minute or not. Okay, so I will go to successful and you can see here that it has already started sending the data at 1154, and if we wait for one more minute it should start sending second, third and so on data as well, right? So yeah, this is how it works and it is super easy to set up and very useful when you want to rate limit. Imagine that you are never sure that when that one particular application will send bulk data, okay, and you always want to rate limit it via 1 minute or 10 per minute or something like that. Okay, so you can use this logic in that particular thing. Here you can see 1054, I think so it's a time showing issue, but yeah, events. Okay, so yeah, that works. Okay, sorry, that's a collection time. Actually it shows the collection time somehow. I am not sure why that happens, but yeah, it only sends one thing per minute. And let's go to history here to just verify our claims, right? So here you can see 55. Okay, yeah, here we can see two things going on per minute. Okay, why? Because my older execution is still running on, so that is the reason that it is showing two things per minute, right? But yeah, it works. And yeah, just check out the HookDeck. Feel free to contact me to hire me for automation setups. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, right? I hope this video helps you, and yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you.